Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Venki. Today we will see how to do assembly and disassembly animation video in Fusion 360. For this, I have a small engine assembly which has been created with different parts, piston, engine block, and the camshaft. You have to create this 3D model individually, then only you can do animation. So now I have to switch this design mode to animation mode. Then I will enter into animation workbench. You can see this is the timeline and this is the manipulation tool, transform components tool. Using these two, we will create the animation video. So now I have to adjust the timeline to 6 seconds. So my plan is to create an animation video. The engine block should move to left side. This uh, this pistons will move to right side, then these connecting rods will move little upwards. So now I will click on M keyword or else I will select this transform components option. I will click on the M button. I will click on the M button or else this transform option feature. I will select this engine block and I will drag this little upward. Then I will drag to little leftwards. Then I will place this like this. If you want, you can see the animation in between, whether it is fine or not. So now we will continue the animation video. Then I will again click on the M button and I will select these pistons one by one. Then I will drag this little upwards. Then I will move this one to the right side. Then I will adjust this scene to 13 seconds. Then I will click on OK. Then I will again click on the M button and I will select this connecting rods one by one. I will move this little upwards and drag to the rightwards. Then I will click on OK. Before that, I have to adjust this timeline. Click on OK. So now you can visualize this animation video. You can see first we have manipulated the engine block to the left side. Then we have moved the pistons to the right side. Then we have moved the connecting rods. So this is our disassembly animation video. We have to create the assembly animation video also. For this, you don't need to do anything. You just reverse this video. I will show you how to do that. Just copy this one and paste this one. You have to click on reverse option. Then you can see whatever we have manipulated will reverse. Whatever we did disassembly will reverse to assembly animation video. So now you can see we have completed the assembly and disassembly animation video. If you want to save this in your PC, just click on this publish option and click on OK. So then you can see it is asking where you want to save this one. So this will pop up after this publish completed. The video will save into your system. Then you can visualize this one. Now it has been published. You can see this one in your local. How to go to the location where I saved. How to select this one, and I can see this one. Whatever we did, it will come as a video.